Okay, you have to open first the Facebook page of FSY Iloilo, or you can directly open such by using the bit.ly link shown in the screen. Then you have to click the sign in to register button. Then next step would be you have to log into your LDS account by typing your username and then your password. Then wait for the site to be accessed. Once loaded, you'll be able to see the site itself and your account as well. Then you have to fill in the required information as shown in the screen by typing in your phone number as well as your email address. And then afterwards you need to encode as well your parents' information, specifically their email address and phone number as well. And then afterwards you need to type in your medical information as dietary information as applicable. And then you need to select your preferred t-shirt size. Then you need to agree by reviewing the standards of conduct and terms and conditions. Then once done, you just need to hit the click register, and then congratulations, you're done.